Boy 1. Hi, how are you doing today? Boy 2. I'm doing alright. Thanks for asking. How about you? Boy 1. I'm doing pretty well. Thanks. Have you had a chance to try that new restaurant in town? Boy 2. Yeah, I actually went there last night with some friends. It was really good. Boy 1. Oh, cool. What did you order? Boy 2. I got the chicken and they were really tasty. My friends got the burgers and they said those were great too. Boy 1. That sounds delicious. I will have to try it out sometime. So, do you have any plan for the weekend? Boy 2. Not yet, but I was thinking of maybe going to the park and having a picnic. How about you? Boy 1. I was thinking of maybe going for a hike or taking a bike ride. The weather is supposed to be really nice this week. Boy 2. That sounds like a lot of fun. Let me know if you want some company. Boy 1. Will do. Thanks for the offer.